Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the price increase which we are witnessing right now in Bitcoin price, and not just in Bitcoin, but we see it in Ethereum and many other altcoins. But is this a fake out? Well, this is, I think, a question we have to discuss. And what are the possibilities? The second thing I would like to talk about, that chain analysis reports finds most NFT wash traders unprofitable, and actually there is an issue with wash trade when it comes to NFTs, because this is a very special area, a new hype of the crypto industry, and a lot of people using it for wash trades. So I think it's worth to talk about it. And also the third thing I would like to talk about is that Venezuela's reportedly hit by a new Bitcoin tax, and what is the percentage and all these things in today's video. Let's start. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, then what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, then the bell button, and then all. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And also check out the links under this video, many useful ones, plus a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Okay, let's have a look at the market, where we can see that actually in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin went up 2.8%, and it's almost 12% when we're looking at the daily period. Ethereum up 2.2, which is 17.7 in a week. Let's looking at the that's the losers. I want to see first the winners. The winners is Shiba Inu actually going up now 22% in the last 24 hours. We have BitTorrent going up 0.8. I don't know why is that here, because it's not supposed to be if you check on the 24-hour, because we have here Quant 40% up and Leo token also 14%. But even these guys, XRP 15.9% up. Well, this one a bit messed up. When we're looking at the losers, well, we can see the Daily Fuel is down 4.1%, Ether Network 1.8%, and the Maker 1.8%. And here we have Convex Finance 2.5%. Basically, not a lot. On the loser side, more winners this time, and the market, it's again, as you can see, the market cap over $2 trillion US dollars. Back again a little bit. So let's talk about what we have right now, how the market looks like. Have a look at the candlestick chart and the other things. So let's do it. Definitely for why this is the best picture, what we can see now when it comes to crypto and Bitcoin. And when I share this here, we can see that, we actually even broke this big downtrend line. I actually have, drawn here on the 10th of November, since the 10th of November, obviously not, I haven't done it back then. But since that, if we put this one here, this one was broken here. And also we had here this wedge, and this one was broken too. So things so far so good, put it this way. Also, when we're looking at the RSI, now it broke out again. And what happened previously, something similar happened. When RSI went down for a while, we had this breakout, and look what happened here. We went up. Actually, even here, I could draw a line, even if it doesn't match the peaks so perfectly than here and there. But the same scenario would play out after the breakout. We started to go up. Well, now we're breaking out again. But what I don't like that much this time here is the volume, because this is decreasing, and this is actually not a good sign. We actually closed the week. So when we looking at the weekly chart, we can see here that now we had this green candle officially closed here, kind of above this level, which I have put here. But the big question, what this week will bring, where are we closing this week? Are we going to continue in the direction we are going right now? Because we are at the crucial level. So in this area, which is like around 40, 42-ish kind of, we have to not just stay here. This is just not enough. We have to break above it and stay above it. That would be actually crucial, because actually this one could be easily a fake out when actually we cannot break further up, and then we're going down even more. Because just think about it, when we're losing these lines, the support, which is like around here, this is a strong one, definitely this 42. But when we go further down, we see here around 38, 35. People will be more, pessimistic, and then it could easily go down to 30 again. I think this is a likely scenario. But also, we could head the bottom somewhere here. It's also possible. So again, we have both sides. We are I think, doing much better now than before. These are like great signs, all when you're looking at the RSI. Again, this breakout. But is it enough to have this long big one? No, it's not, in my opinion. So we have to wait further. And if we develop in this direction, that definitely could be something great. This is the thing what we have to really watch, I think, this week and probably the next couple of weeks. Depends how fast Bitcoin can develop here. When we're looking at the fear and greed index, look at this number. It's up 45, getting out of this fear zone. This we haven't seen for a while. Looking at this here, this is the last 3 months. And it was up here around 80, definitely in the greed direction. And then we went all the way down. Here we actually met level 10. That was beginning of January, kind of. And we were here at 45, here at 47. So we back to 45 again to this level. There's a slight little hope out there. Is this hope enough? Well, we will see. It's just simply too early to talk about. But yes, this is so far actually so good. But guys, be careful out there, okay? Because if this is a fake out, then we can easily just continue to go down. And especially it goes to alts. If the altcoins, if Bitcoin's getting in trouble here for a while, then alts can perform very, very bad. And you have to think twice how you invest. Whatever is here on this channel is not financial advice. And I definitely, in the long term, I think the future for Bitcoin and crypto is bright. But I'm just careful right now. Careful watching. We see how it will play out. And yes, if we making this level stronger with staying above it, then I think this could be a great thing. And then we might have another run towards the upside, because whatever here is, this brawling wedge, it's also a bullish pattern in general, which can obviously go to the downside as well, but it's more likely to go to the upside. This time actually it did happen, but don't forget, this long thing here, it's a bearish period we'll be experiencing right now. And this was the first time we broke out of this line. So this is positive, but is it enough? This is the question. Okay, guys, the next topic I would like to discuss is talk about NFTs and wash trading, because that's an issue, by the way. NFTs definitely this new hype, but this area is not that much under control than, for example, centralized exchanges. And of course, the whole, crypto sphere it's really not regulated yet. We're going in this direction right now, but NFTs are definitely not this category. So here is an article, and the title is that a chain analysis report finds most NFT wash traders unprofitable. So non-fungible tokens, which are the NFTs, have taken the world by storm as we see it right now, resulting in mainstream interest and greater option of cryptocurrency. Because we do see that, on one hand, we see Bitcoin, Ethereum recently and all the others all just going down. On the other hand, NFT market is just like pumping. So according to blockchain analysis firm Chainalysis, NFT popularity skyrocketed in 2021. Well, you don't have to analyze it. You just like watching the market. Chainalysis NFT market report shows that minimum, and this is the big number, 44.2 billion worth of cryptocurrency sent to Ethereum smart contract associated with NFT marketplace and collection last year. So just think about it, 44.2 billion in Ethereum, which is associated with NFTs. The report notes that this number was 106 million back in 2020. Back in 2020, such a small number, and what a tremendous increase in 2021. Also, Chainalysis' latest blog post highlighting that its 2020 crypto crime report found that the NFT sector is vulnerable to wash trading and money laundering. You know, this is a big issue actually with crypto, how, you know, people can use it for these kind of things. And we do know that the thing is that everything it's recorded on the blockchain. It's on the blockchain, it's immutable, but still, you know, this area, it's not that much regulated. So by using Chainalysis software, they're saying we can see when a person buys a token using funds from the same person who sold them that very token. This is a definition of wash trading. So actually with this software, they can actually monitor that. Chainalysis finding indicate the 152 Ethereum addresses associated with wash traders resulted in loss of 416, almost 17,000 US dollar. Also shows that 110 Ethereum addresses received 8.9 million in profits from wash trading. So this is actually also very, very interesting. So historically, it's known that art, and we can kind of put NFT into this art category, but it's like digital. It belongs to digital art, put it this way. Are not subject to KYC, you know, to know your customer, and AML, anti-money laundering requirements. So here is an issue that if this is art or we put it in this area, well, what kind of regulation should come out to keep a record? Because thanks for the blockchain, you can watch a transaction happening exactly. Where is it coming from? Where is it going? And it's there forever. While when it comes to art and trading some kind of physical art, you can just go there with your cash, pay it, you receive it, and apart from you and the seller, nobody knows about it. So, well, this is an interesting question, definitely. And NFTs are in a big hype right now. I think NFTs can stay with us because the use case of NFT, it's not just about these JPEGs or whatever things are there, because this non-fungible token, and this is actually the first time you can prove your ownership in this kind of digital world. So NFT is a great use case, and you can use it for far more things that it's used right now. So this is a great thing, but because it's a totally new area, you have to be careful, because of course there will be a lot of scams out there and other many things. It's a dangerous area too. So please always pay attention. What are you doing? And please don't forget that, you know, whatever happens to the blockchain stays on the blockchain. So later the data, can be found. Okay. This was another topic I wanted to discuss, and then let's go to Venezuela, where it looks like a crypto tax is out. So people, how much they have to pay after crypto profits. Well, according to this article, Venezuela is reportedly hit by a new Bitcoin tax up to 20%. So Bitcoin adoption has been on rise in Venezuela, which is totally understandable in the recent years. It's happening because there is this hyperinflation and there is this national currency crisis, what they experience there. So obviously looking for an alternative, and I guess the government has realized it. So Venezuelan government has approved a new tax bill aiming to collect up to 20% in tax from cryptocurrency transactions. Well, it looks like that if you do some of these transactions, then this is what you have to pay. The Venezuelan government reportedly approved, so Thursday, requiring local firms and individuals to pay 20% for operations carried out in cryptocurrencies, as well as currencies like the US dollar. So actually, they don't like very much the idea if you're not trading, how you would do that with the local currency, which actually worth nothing, basically. But yeah, it looks like they looking this area quite strictly. Look, here they're saying actually in the report that so the national currency reportedly lost over 70% in value last year alone. And before that, it wasn't great, but just in last year, from that, what it dropped already was another 70%. And this is actually crazy. So as previously reported by Cointelegraph, Bitcoin adoption has been actually skyrocketing, as I said, in Venezuela in recent years, with many thousands of local businesses starting moving into cryptocurrency simply just to survive this kind of hyperinflation. And in October 2001, a major international airport in Venezuela was preparing to start accepting cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin payments for the ticket and services. And this is just like one of the businesses they looking for other alternatives. So, well, they already hit by the storm because of this hyperinflation, what they have there. So their local currency is, worth nothing. And then they're looking for other alternatives to kind of survive. This is like then the crypto, and now the government actually comes and saying, okay, then if you use like foreign currency, like use dollar, or you trade anything in crypto, that will be hit by a tax. Well, this is the way the government is collecting things. But yeah, I think tax, in general, it's okay. But like in a country like Venezuela, which actually should help the nation. But on the other hand, this is how they make the money from. The problem is, I think, when you're looking at put it this way, some countries' government are more corrupt than others. And this could be an issue. But yeah, whatever. It's not my thing to judge. I just wanted to point out that now a 20% tax, up to 20%, it's now in Venezuela coming. Guys, that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, just smash the like button. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, which I'm bringing for you every weekday. And therefore, see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.